A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. So, you want to live forever with God? How bad you want to live forever with God? I want you to think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, go click it now, and the notification bell too. If you make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Mark chapter 9 from verse 42 to verse 50. If nobody make one of them little picnic we believe in me, sin, it would have better for them if somebody tie one big rock stone around their neck and fling them in the sea. So, if you no and make no sin, chop it off. Cause it would have better for you no cripple and live forever with God than for have two hands and get fling down in a hellfire we can't out. If uno foot make uno sin, chop it off. Cause it would have better for uno if uno can't walk and live forever with God than for have 2 foot and get fling down a hell. If uno yai cause uno fi sin, JUK it out. Cause uno would have better have if uno go in a God kingdom with only 1 yai than fi have 2 yai and get fling down a hell. Where the worm them, where nyam them, can't dead. And the fire where burn them, can't out. But fire I go burn and clean up everybody. Salt good. But if the taste gone, how you gonna make it taste like salt again? Make the good news come in like salt amongst you and cause you to live in a peace with one another. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.